Hi everyone, welcome back to the build. We've got a couple of jobs to do today. We've got some electrical work, we've got some wood cutting, we've got some painting. So yeah, I think we're going to start with the kitchen doors, so let's crack on with that. Alright, so we've drilled a hole, similar to what we're doing with the cupboards. We'll just go around the jigsaw, follow the lines, and then yeah, we'll mount the laser cut bit of wood in there. And we still need to paint all of that, so we're going to leave it now, and we'll probably be doing that towards the end of this video. Right, so now we've cut all of that wood out. We've gone ahead and taken off this panel, which we've already painted, which was on the front of the bed, behind the seats. We're going to do it to the second one as well. And we're going to put in some sockets. So what I've got here is 2 USB ports, and then this is a 12-volt car socket, and then this is an on-off button, so it's not draining the power all the time. So we're going to mount that about here. And then on the other side, we're going to put a door on, so we've got access to the inverter, so we can just take plugs in and out quite easily. So where we mount it, we just need to make sure, you know, it's all the right height and that the sockets are above the cushions. All right, so let's put that over. So yeah, that'll look something like that. And then these are too short to go straight to the fuse box, so I just need to lengthen these wires. Alright, so that's the door done. And now with this, we are going to mount it to that white panel that was fixed over there. And then we're going to run wires going under the front side of the bed, under the sliding door, and yeah, we're going to fix it to the fuse box.
So we're just going to leave it there for 2 minutes just to announce the winners of our giveaway. So we put everybody's names that entered into a random name generator, and the winner is the O team.
Yeah, congratulations guys. Yeah, so they've also got a YouTube channel, so go check them out. They've got a very cool build. I really like what they've done. So on top of their van, they've got like a rooftop box storage where the solar panel tilt mounts off of that. It looks really cool, and the artwork on the back as well. It looks really good. So yeah, go check those guys out. And yeah, congratulations.
Well done guys. Yeah, so thanks everybody that commented, and now back to the build.
Alright, so now I'm going to extend the wires that come with the ports and the socket. So all of this sits on the other side of the van, and the fuse box is over there. And these wires aren't long enough. So what I need to do, I'll start with the positive, is just cut the end off, strip the wire, and then we've already got this 6mm wire, and then I'm going to strip this, and then put a crimp connector on, and then it's a case of crimping it. Alright, so that's the connector done, and now I'm going to put, yeah, one of these ends on the end. Just like that. I just want to say this positive wire does have a fuse in here, so we don't need to add one. And now I'm just gonna do the same to the positive and extend the negative wire. Right, so I've brought the wires all underneath here, and I'm gonna attach it to the fuse box. So I'll take that off. And I'm gonna use a 15 amp fuse. So that cigarette lighter socket is rated for 10 amps, and the USB is 4.2, so that's 14.2. And what you need to do is times that number, so however many sockets you've got, add all the amperages up, and then times that number by 1.25 to give you that 25% error margin for the fuse. And for us, that's 15.25%, and that's only 0.25% below the error margin. So the nearest one's a 15 amp fuse, which is why I'm using that.
Cool, so now if I just close the circuit, let's go have a look.
Go on then, turn it on.
Oh, awesome. There we go. How cool is that? Oh, nice. Sweet.
Alright, awesome. On to the next thing. Alright, so while Tash screws that wooden panel on, I'm gonna go put a little hole for a little door handle. We're gonna go simple and just, yeah, have a little hole in there. And again, that door that we cut out for that white panel over there to get access to the inverter, it's just gonna be a little hole. So I'm gonna go do that now. Alright, now we're gonna fix this bit of wood into place so we can adjust this door correctly, and we're going to put hinges like on this side so the door opens up like that. Alright, so that's the door on, and similar to what we use with the cupboards, we've just got a little magnet there, and then there's the metal strip. Close it. Happy days. Alright, and now we're going to add that bit of wood to the side of our kitchen, and I think we're going to have like a table. So you might have seen in other people's van builds, they sort of have a table that lies flat and then it lifts up like that whilst a leg goes underneath. That'd be a pretty cool idea. Alright, so it's a new day and I'm currently sat in the kitchen. You can see that I've already moved everything around. We've got some stuff in the back garden, some stuff behind the van, so I'll go share all what we've got to paint today. There's one of the storage boxes. There's the kitchen, and then yeah, lots of bits. Right, we're getting there. But even though it said it was going to be a sunny day, it's just started to spit. So we've got to move everything to the shed. Alright, so that's the first coat and everything. We're going to leave it here because it is raining. So it'll be in the next video when we start, you know, fixing everything all down, all the bits of wood. But yeah, I hope you like that one. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see future videos, and then I'll see you on the next one. Bye.